Hi there. Here's a little update on my zucchini olive cheese. Now, it didn't turn out hard and firm to make slices. It has more like a brie texture. It's probably because I boiled the zucchini instead of steaming it. I mean, I tried to drain it, but it was still pretty moist. So next time I'll try to steam it. But it still turned out pretty tasty. So here it is over here. Yeah, so I used green olives, so that's why it has that color instead of white or yellow cheese that you typically associate with cheese. And I'm gonna have it with some mushrooms and mixed greens, and I'll have it with some eggplant marinara sauce. I made the sauce from eggplant, carrot, zucchini, um, mushrooms, and then various spices. So I'll just go ahead and add some cheese to it. Alright, so let me try it. Now, I actually did eat it before making this video. It is tasty by itself. Now I'm going to have it with the salad. Mmm.